Where am I right now? Basically, you guys, this is just a quick video saying thank you to Pape, the company. Thank you so much for inviting me to the car show. That car show was so crazy because there's maybe like a total of like 40 cars, but just having that type of community, it was so knit tight. That was exactly what I'm looking for Drift Set. I was extremely inspired to be in a place like that. I didn't know though, all the workers there, they know each other from something or somebody. So they're all connected somehow. Look, hey, this is him. This is Mike. I ended up going to the car show, inviting everyone from Drift Set, like they asked, and you know, no one could really come. So then, you know, we had another Genesis owner there, Mike from Drift Set. So that was just him over there right now. We're actually leaving the spot. That show was the craziest thing ever. It felt like a family gathering, except the coolest part was a car flipped over, and you know, me and somebody else, donuts everywhere, and free food, and people just coming up to us, talking to us, these classic cars that you've like probably never ever seen on the road, and they're just locked up in people's garages. They finally bring them out. I mean, it's like these cars are like barely surviving right now. You can see them, they're having a hard time turning them on and stuff. Some of them are carbureted still. Super nuts.
Rolling it up. Don't choke, Joe. Don't.
Traction control. Out on the speed bump, it's like smoking. Oh. Oh. Ooh. You're like, yeah. Oh. Okay, yeah, we better get out of here. Yeah, come on. Yeah. In the meantime, you can check these out. Bam! This guy. Yeah. Oh! Bro, I gotta see it on the other side. That's crazy. Yo, this is so crazy. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Where am I right now? This is awesome. Whoa! What? What? This is awesome. Oh!
We're good.
Oh. Dude, broken glasses everywhere.
We broke it. We cut out his. Let's get him out.
think one of my lines blew off. Yeah, guys, I think one of my lines blew off. Now it flutters like crazy. Yo, it's so blown off. So one of my blinds blew off like real bad, so I'm hoping the car will stay on so I can move it out of the way. I can't believe this, bro. Let me get it on the... Oh my God, it moved. Yo, so actually, I think I was blowing boost so bad that like, it just blew off the cap super bad. So more of the story is, try not to have one of these and make sure it's all locked up. Yo, I see it, bro. Look, it's like right here, bro. Look, the cap blew off right here, bro. I see it. So it just blew off. So it went ping, 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 and it just landed right in this little hole.
It landed right there. Super convenient.
Dude, super convenient. Just pick it right back up and just put it back on. Way too lucky. Let's put it back on, you guys. Gee whiz. Oh my God. We actually got it. Like the cap is on. Mike, I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. I got this little cute little worm clamp on. Yo, so today has been crazy. You have no idea. Like we went to this Pape like car show. I thought it was just gonna be like a small get together, which it was, but it was crazy. A guy's car flips over. You know, craziest car show I've ever been to.
Short amount of time.
Yeah, because it was only like 3 hours, 2 hours really. It was amazing, you guys. So next year, definitely Pape. We're coming back. Pape car show. Ding! Anyways, I had the greatest time of my life. It felt like a family barbecue, and I would definitely do it again. Thank you so much, Pape. Thank you so much, Gene, for inviting me out there. Thank you so much. That was absolutely amazing. I really hope that my company and my crew, Drift Set, can be as knit tight as you guys are in that company. Thank you so much again.